Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Friends, today I am going to show you how to install Windows operating system in HP EliteBook PolyStudio laptop. As you see friends, this is my HP laptop where Ubuntu is installed, and I just want to replace this Ubuntu operating system with Windows. So let's start how to replace this Ubuntu operating system with Windows. First you have to pre-install a Windows operating system in your pen drive, and then you have to insert the pen drive in USB port, and then just restart your computer. Now you have to press F10. Once your computer is restarting, just press F10. Now go to Advanced. You will enter into the BIOS setup. Go to Advanced, and then you will find below boot order. See, this is the boot options. You just need to tap on boot options. Then scroll down, and then below you will find UEFI boot order. You may also find legacy boot order also. Now you have to select your pen drive. This is the pen drive. Now select your pen drive, and then press enter on the keyboard, and then move up pen drive option USB drive at the top, so that OS will be installed directly from your pen drive. Then press escape, press enter again, and then press escape again, press escape, and then here you have to click yes button to save changes. You can use tab button to switch the selection. Then press next, press tab again, and then press enter. Now these are the partitions. Simply delete these partitions. Click yes. Now you have unallocated space. Now create a partition. GB. Click apply. Okay. This is unallocated space. Make partition. I just make it D drive. Apply. Now select your partition. Where would you like to install your Windows operating system? So just I want to install operating system in this drive. It is 124 GB. Now click next button. Installing updates completed.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate
You can select your region.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it.
Enter password.
I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past and the pettiness. A reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last.
Use your face to sign in faster and more securely. Just make it skip. Make Cortana your personal assistant.
No, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough,
Choose privacy setting for your device. Click accept.
I don't ever slow up. No, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and
We
watch
are
it go.
getting
Make yourself
everything
unstoppable.
ready for
Dreams
you.
are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be
This
so
might take
remarkable.
several minutes.
In my
Don't
head, a
turn off
collage
your
of this
PC.
red. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Let's start.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever
Now
slow
your
up,
first
no,
duty
I
is
don't
to
take shit.
enable
I
icons
got
on
no
desktop.
love for the fakeness. If you wanna play
Personalize.
tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show
No themes.
up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness.
Desktop
If you
icon
wanna play
settings.
tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show
Select
up
computer.
and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no, I don't
That's
take
it.
shit.
Click
I got
OK.
no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play
You will
tough
see that this icon or my PC icon.
show up.
Now let's open this PC icon. As you see, D drive is not available here, which I have created during installation. So for this you have to go to computer management. Open computer management, and then here you will find disk management. As you see, this is the drive. This is not showing 350 GB, so just right click on it. You will find disk 0 under disk 0. This is the pen drive. So right click on it, format, okay. This is a new volume. You can change drive letter. Just right click on it and change drive letter. Click at E. Okay. So new volume is E. See, it is showing here. So in this way you can sort out this issue. So thanks for watching this video.